Move over, old-fashioned carrot and raisin salad. It's time for an upgrade. Now, my first upgrade was substituting cranberries for the raisins. Any recipe that calls for raisins, I now use cranberries. Now, I really wanted more crunch and a little something to offset the sweetness, so I'm using celery instead of pineapple. 4 cups of coarse grated carrots, 1 cup of chopped celery, 1 cup of cranberries, and mix all these together in a large bowl. Now, I really like broccoli salad, but my husband does not like broccoli, so I thought, what else could I put the broccoli salad dressing on? So that is when I thought about that old-time favorite carrot raisin salad, but with a little more zing. Okay, so your basic broccoli salad dressing is half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and an eighth teaspoon of pepper. Now, your choice of vinegar will determine how much vinegar you use. I had my own homemade Mexican mint vinegar, which is made with white wine vinegar, which does not have as much zing as apple cider vinegar, so I needed 3 tablespoons. The original recipe for broccoli salad calls for red wine vinegar, so you're really just going to need to mix your dressing together and taste it. Now add the dressing to the salad ingredients, cover and refrigerate all day or all night. Now you may think there's not enough dressing, but the carrots will release water, thinning out the dressing. Now this will last several days in the refrigerator and is a great take-along for family and friends get-togethers. If you're enjoying my recipes, be sure to like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss my new recipes.